Hi everyone, my name is Mallory and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I have a very special video for you because SheaMoisture sent me another box. And I'm super excited about this month's box. All pretty, because the line that is in here, I have been trying to get my hands on for months. And it has been sold out every time I go to this one store, because it's only sold at Ulta. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, whoops, it is the SheaMoisture Manuka honey and yogurt line. And as you see, SheaMoisture sent me everything. All right, so because I'm just so excited to try everything, I'm gonna go ahead and dive in, let you know what's in my box, talk about packaging a little bit because that's important. And then yeah, I'm gonna use this because I'm excited. This released a few months ago. I can never find it in my Ulta, so shout out to SheaMoisture for sending it to me. So just to go ahead and dive right in to what we have, I received, of course, the shampoo and conditioner bottles. Did it focus? Yep, there we go. Let's see, these are both 10.3 fluid ounces. Of course, no sulfates, parabens, some other gel I can't pronounce, mineral, no animal testing, all that great stuff. And it's color safe as well. So once again, the shampoo and conditioner, all amazing. And I will say, packaging wise, this is probably my second favorite style bottle. So like when you put it in a counter, when you put it like in your shelf, it's down, so all the products is gonna always stay at the opening. I'm not a fan of bottles that are like this way with the cap on, because they're always like doing this and shaking it and hitting it. And so shout out to SheaMoisture for thinking of this. I know it's the small things, but I love those little details. So that's that. And then I also got the Hydrate and Repair protein treatment. There. And also a little sample pack as well. I'm not going to use this. I'm going to give this to my mama. So she's going to be really excited about that. Oh, it smells amazing. Look how thick this product is. I mean, look at it. I'm like literally squeezing the bottle and it's not even moving. All right, look at that texture. Super thick. And it is time for a protein treatment on my hair. I have not done one in a while, so I'm excited about that. This is a really good size jar, 8 ounces, so that's actually pretty good. And then I also have the multi-action leave-in. Now, I'm really excited about this because as the weather is getting warmer, we're getting into summertime. I normally only use leave-ins in my hair. I don't know about you, but my like winter hair routine and summer hair routine are completely different, because honestly, my hair ends up in a bun like this most of the time because it's so hot here in Georgia. So leave-ins are always my best friend. Quick wash and goes, throw this on, detangle, and I'm out. Let my hair air dry in the sun. I'm good. So really excited to show you guys my summer routine today. And last but not least, we have the split-in balm. Now, I've actually never used a split-in balm, so I'm really excited to try that. And let's see if I can get this open real quick. I haven't even opened this yet for you guys. Let me just show you. See it when I see it. Oh Lord, I'm struggling. Shit. Okay, this is what it looks like. Oh, there we go. Split-in balm. Smells good. The little, oh, that's really thick. Okay, so now it's time for me to go wash my hair. You see it's in a bun. Anytime my hair is in a bun, which that normally means it's time for a wash. This is actually, I think, J5 hair. So just so you can see the before and how my curls look. They actually don't look that bad. I'm pretty sure I can get away Ooh, no, maybe the middle part. Okay, maybe I can get away with this if I wanted to refresh my hair, but you can kind of see like, yeah, it's time to wash. So I'm getting ready to use the shampoo and conditioner and we'll see what my hair looks like. Okay, I am back with wet, clean hair now. And I can definitely tell, like you see this volume I have with nothing on my hair. That honestly means that my hair is kind of tangled in there. So this is about to be fun detangling process, and I'm gonna go ahead and do the deep condition and a protein treatment because I haven't done one in a while. So go ahead and start detangling my hair. I don't have a clear method for this. I just kind of do the back half. Oh yeah, my hair is tangled. Alright guys, I am back. 10 minutes is up. Just rinse everything out. My hair feels amazing, all clean, healthy, strong, all those good things. So now we're gonna go ahead and get to styling using these two things. So let's get started. I'm gonna stop messing with it and I'm gonna let it air dry, and then I'll be back to show you the final results of my one product wash and go featuring this baby. All right, I have to stop touching it. All right, so I am back and this is the final look. I just have this pinned up real quick so I'm getting ready to do my makeup, but this is about 95% dry. I'm fluffing it out now, but I really haven't fluffed it out. I mean, this is like crazy volume. I mean, look at this curl definition. Oof. Everything looks amazing. I cannot wait to continue to use this product this summer. Again, thank you so much, SheaMoisture. I absolutely love this box and I can't wait to see what's next. Until next time, bye.